firing wrong on the Ovian Tube War, that they're trying to start something because it's not 3, idiot. It's 2. If there was another Ovian Tube War, it'd be number 2, you moron. But anyway, it looks like CF is looking to make a name for himself with his own podcast that never works before, and his other stupid friends. So let's see what the Legion of Losers does tonight. Meanwhile, the Matrixlord is doing his own video with Mike D. So it should be an interesting evening tonight. Be good, a-holes. Well. Look what he got dragged in. This is Gamma the original Troll Hunter. And what is the most pathetic thing I've seen on a Saturday night is 2 a-holes bad-mouthing the Matrixlord. 1 is 18, the other's a little older. And you know what this shows me? That these 2 a-holes are the biggest losers that there's ever been, because they have nothing to do on their weekend. They're Saturday nights. They have no dates. They have no life. They don't make any money. Mommy and Daddy are supporting them. And they make fun of a published author named... The guy did 12 books. He made more money from the books that they've never in their life have made in a job. And they mock him and they badmouth him. So you know what, a-holes? Do you know what I think you should do? Because you can't get dates. You can't get... Your life is the Matrixlord. You should do more. You should show the world how much of a bunch of losers you are. And I suggest to the Matrixlord that he write a book about the biggest losers on the internet. So that way, when you grow up, the book will always be there till the day you die, and you will be reminded of your a-holeness, the days that you were losers, and you'll always be losers. The book will be out there forever. That is what I suggest. But you know what? Matrixlord may say that you're not worth it. You're not even worth a sentence. So on that, a-holes, get life.